What's happening, everybody? We're back here at Broadway at the beach, going through the illumination part, headed toward the Hangout, but we're going to see what's happening around Broadway. Stay tuned.
Today's a good day to go shopping at the Hangout, and look what I found. Perfect.
And they have something for everyone.
Thing about Myrtle Beach is the weather is always unpredictable. Sometimes it's sunny and sometimes it's a little shady.
What'd you do, get stuck?
Welcome to the hammock.
And if you're wondering where everyone's getting those famous sun hats, come check it out.
Just that's all we can do, because it's not like yellow leaf hammocks made in Thailand.
Okay.
They're amazing. These are all the colors we have over there. We have different sizes. We have different chair. I feel like right now.
I think we decided to eat at Margaritaville today.
Ooh, they got a blackberry moonshine margarita. So we stopped here at Margaritaville for some drinks and an appetizer.
What'd you get?
The Havana banana.
Alright.
Shauna?
What's that?
Tranquil waters.
What?
Tranquil waters.
Tranquil?
Yeah.
And what is that?
Watermelon margarita.
How many many sips have you had?
They're a bit strong. Volcano nachos. Yum, yum.
Well, that was Margaritaville. Let's find out where we're going now at Broadway at the beach. One day I'm getting on that boat. So we just made our way through the Hangout and looped around, got something to eat at Margaritaville, and came back through on this boardwalk. Now let's go check out a little bit more of Broadway at the beach.
Or we can go do some shopping.
All right, there's the Kwik Mart. Might not can hear me.
I've never been in there.
You want to go? Let's go. We're going to check out the Kwik Mart. All right, there's your Simpsons 4D. Some nice fellas right there. There's Joe's Crab Shack, which we have a video on. It's got pretty good food.
Oh, I thought our friend was there. You have to go sit on the platform.
And for some reason, she's got to go into the rack room shoes. So we'll pick it up from here when she's finished. There's Tiki Jim's.
There's Bunny B's friend.
The alien or the bunny?
Of course, it's the bunny.
I think that's your friend. It's your mermaid store with all kind of nautical items. Let's see here. We're gonna try to get some good shots before it rains.
Like I said.
Like she said, it'll rain every 5 minutes, be sunny every 5 minutes.
Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's shady.
And there's Sweet Carolina's Low Country Grill and Smokehouse. Well, there's Yamato's and it looks like it's closed. got French fries. We can fix that, whatever it is. So they can fix it. No, we didn't. There's Senor Frogs. So we're going straight, or we're going to cross the bridge?
I guess we're gonna go straight.
And there's your rides here at Broadway at the beach. You want to go straight, you say?
So do I need to call you? Well, I don't have my phone.
Sub at Ron John's is on the other side.
They had a map somewhere.
There's Coastal Outfitters Outdoor Pro Shop. We've got a video on that. Gemini clothing and shoes. And look who we ran into here at Gemini's.
Hi, I'm Paige. I'm your International United Miss North New York.
Hi, I'm Rosie, your International United Miss North New York Junior Preteen.
Hi, everybody. My name is Kimberly Grader. You're currently rating International United Miss North New York. Greetings from Myrtle Beach.
Hey!
See these trash cans? Yeah. The Vintage House. There's the Broadway T-shirt company. If you want a T-shirt, you can come here. Well, with a little drizzle, we're going to have to cut our tour here at Broadway slightly short. We hope you enjoyed it. Bunny B, close us out.
And as always,